Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. In this video, I am going to share about big project. So today I want to introduce you to a super promising platform, Afsani. It's a crypto news and information platform based in the US, offering real-time news, in-depth coin data analysis, and even helping quality projects get listed on exchanges. If you are into crypto and want to stay updated or support investment opportunities, this site is professional and always on point. So now let's check out how to register. So guys, you can check here register page interface. You can see this. You can enter your phone number, you can select your country, then you can enter your phone number, you can enter your verification code, you can click this send verification code, then you can receive verification code on your phone number, then you can enter your invitation code, then you can enter your password, enter your confirm password, then you can register now. If your account is already registered, then you can log in now. So I register my account and see this further detail about this project. So guys, you can see this my account register. You will instantly receive 2000 gems. You can check here. I receive 2000 gems. Then you can earn extra 400 gems. You can check here. You can click the sign in. Then you can receive 400 gems immediately every day just by checking in. And next I will discuss important parts. You can earn even more by inviting your friends. You can see this, you can check here, you can scroll down and see these levels. So you have different levels. Level 1 you can get 1000 gem, level 2 you can get 600 gem, level 3 you can get 300 gems. All of these gems are yours to claim. Pretty awesome, right? So what you can actually do with these gems, each gem is currently valued at $0.00015, and you can easily swap them in the Afsani wallet for USDT, BTC, PHY, ETH, and TX, and hundreds of other popular coins. It's fast and safe and super convenient, meaning the more gems you collect, the more crypto wallets you are building over time. Now let me tell about the star token PHY. So guys, you can click here and see this PHY. During the first round of airdrops, Afsani members could grab PHY for just $0.10. Guys, you can check here PHY chain listed on Maxic exchange. You can click here and see this PHY is listed on Maxic exchange. You can show here, you can see this Maxic exchange. You can check here PHY chain price chart. You can check here when it's launched Maxic exchange, the price soared to $0.50, even hitting a high of $0.82. So now price is $0.74096. Right now the second round of PHY airdrop has officially begun now. So guys, you can join now. And you can see this, so you can check here the news of PHY and show this airdrop of PHY is coming soon. So now officially begun, and the best part, no forms to fill out, and all you need to do is, so you can follow the PHY chain on Telegram. You can see this, you can join official community Telegram, click here, then you can join now. Then you can join the Twitter page. You can see this, you can check here, then you can join the Twitter page now. Check Afsani wallet for at least 3 consecutive days. The system will automatically detect qualifying user and send out the airdrops. Airdrops will be distributed as soon as PHY breaks $1 for the first time. So the earlier you start checking in, the more you are likely to earn. Don't wait, click the sign up link below, start checking in, then you can claim your airdrop. Let's catch this 10x, maybe even 1000x opportunity together. So guys, don't forget to PHY chain, Telegram and Twitter. You can follow now, then you can join this airdrop now. So guys, this website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.